Hello, my name is Hanchal Bae. I will show you what I learned in this class. We learned ontology this semester in this class. So I've tried to design all ontology using Template Composer. My task is about high school in Seoul City, and I target school relevant person, parents, and students to show relationship between high school and its property, and to let them compare various high schools easily. Furthermore, I expect my model help students and parents choose high school when they are about to enter high school. Before showing you my model in Template Composer, I will show you a general outline of my ontology in my PPT. As I mentioned before, scope of my model is high school in Seoul, and purpose is to show relationship between high schools and their property, and let viewers compare high school easily. Main user is school relevant person, parents and students. Now I will show you my model's diagram that contains class, data type property, and objective property, and their relationship. Firstly, class. I thought about a person who wants to know about high school. What classes do they want to know about? I conclude principal and vice principal, location of school, educational foundation, school's tree and flower symbol, and type are essential elements of high school. What about the data type property? I chose start year, number of teachers and students, school motto, and website. Finally, I will show you the relationship between classes. It is called objective property. In case of class person, in case of class person, I put the principal and vice principal inside person class together, and I distinguish them by objective property. In case of principal, I connect the connecting link from high school to person is has principal, and person to high school is principal of. Those has principal and is principal of are inverse property to each other. It is same as vice principal. Next, symbol. Has chaplain is objective property that connects from high school to school symbol, and is chaplain of is inverse to has chaplain. Those are identifying school's tree symbol. In location, is located in and is place of are objective property which are showing the relationship between high school and location. In educational foundation, is founded by and founded, and in type class is type of and include is objective property. Now I'm going to my model specifically in top I'm going to show you my model specifically in Template Composer. In left side, you can see the classes. The main class is Seoul High School. I chose 40 high schools. You can see the instance here. Karak High School, Gangso High School, and Gyeonggi High School, and more. And in educational foundation, there are instances of Gwangmun Hagwon, Gwangshin Hagwon, and 대원학원 and more. In location, 강남구, 강동구, 강서구 and more. In-person classes, there are both principal and vice principals. For example, 강신일 is vice principal of Daewon High School, and 금난세 is a principal of Seoul Arts High School. It is same in symbol. There are both trees and flower together. Last class is type. The instances are 공립예술계 자율학교, 공립일반학교, 공립특수목적학교, 사립예술계 자율학교, and more. You can see the data type property here. The green things is data type property. Start year, number of teacher, and school motto, website, and the number of students. The blue things are objective property. Let me show you an example. Let's see has principal. The domain is Seoul High School and the range is person. Do you know why? I think you guys know about triple structure. In all ontology, to link huge data, it is using triple structure. It is structure that consists of subject, verb, and object. In this case, Seoul High School is subject, and has principal is verb, and person is object. In short, domain means subject, range means object. And then you can see the each principal of is located in inverse of because I assigned them as inverse property. If we go to each principal of, you can see that domain and range are changed. Now let's see an example. If you click the instance of Seoul High School, let's click the Garak High School. You can see the properties of high school very easily. Garak High School's chaplain is 니트나무, which means school tree. Garak High School's principal is Kim Hwan-gil. Its school flower is rose. Its vice principal is An Jae-min. Because it is public school, it doesn't have educational foundation, and it is located in Songpa-gu. And then they are data type properties. It started in 1988 and it has 94 teachers and 1077 students. Its school motto is 지혜의 눈, 진리의 길, 창조의 힘. Its website is www.karak.hs.kr. As you saw, if you click the any high school, you can get lots of important information about that high school very easily. And you may want to find several schools that have same property. For example, you may want to find 자율형 사립학교, which are located in Seoul. Let's go to class type and click the 자율형 사립학교, which are 자율형 사립학교, and then you can find every high schools that have property of 자율형 사립학교. It is same as any kind of classes. As you can see, because I linked every property, you can get information in several ways very easily. My model can be applied to assignment of high school. Uh, my model can be applied to assessment of high school and parents and students. No, no, no. My model can be applied to assessment of high school, and parents and students may be satisfied when choosing which high schools to go. Thank you.